Sunday, December 3rd, 11:50 a.m. New York time. Good morning. We just finished another week in the markets. Lots of stocks making new highs of the year. A lot of stock indexes and sectors making new highs for the year. In this video, I'm going to go over one of the oldest stock indexes, the Dow Jones 30, which has the 30 largest United States publicly traded companies on them. We'll go in alphabetical order. Looking here at a 3-year chart, each candle's a week. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We just made a new high of the year, outstanding. And this is the high of last year, right here. So we're very close to it. Here's the low last year. Here's the low this year. And look at all this green, the trend, the momentum to the upside. Strong like bull. Yep. We're above 3,600, the Dow Jones. These are the 30 companies, again, alphabetical order. And we'll compare them to see which ones are performing equal or better versus the ones that are losers. Let's put each one, make a comparison of 1 year. So that's 12 weekly period. Apple is not a new high for the year. Nope. But what it's done is come off the lows of the year in this consolidation phase, building energy for continued momentum to the upside. Again, Apple goes higher, these indexes go higher. Amgen, I'll give you the stock symbols phonetically. Alpha, Mike, Golf, November. Yeah, it's green, higher, high, higher, low. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Excuse me. So again, it's an consolidation phase. American Express, big green candle for the week, outstanding. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Okay, the momentum's to the upside. Boeing, big green candle, outstanding. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. There is a gap down here. Caterpillar, green, higher, high, higher, low. Here's the low of the year. Here's the high for the year. Charlie Romeo Mike, Salesforce, new high for the year, outstanding. And take out this midpoint last year. Let's look at that. So that was a big dump last year, bearish, and from that point went lower, lower. So finally got up, tested it, and broke above it. Outstanding. So take this. There we go. Us making that new year for the new high for the year. Lots of buyers coming into that. And because it's a huge candle above average size, big body, I think it's important to label midpoint. Right here, midpoint on the weekly time frame. You've been following me long enough, you know what these mean, these midpoints, and how they react, especially on the higher time frames. Cisco, it's green, higher, high, higher, low, broke above that inside candle. Nice. Small trading range after that huge sell-off. Chevron, Charlie Victor, X-ray, green, big consolidation here near the lows of the year. Disney, finally coming in a momentum to the upside. And look what it did. Midpoint, that big candle. Again, that was a dump. Panic selling, labeled midpoint on it. And we tested it last week inside that range zone. And this week we rejected it. Lower high, lower low. Reversal. That was on Disney. As one expected down here, I'd shared bullish trade ideas, looking for potential targets on the upside in this area. And knowing that, we knew, expect potential consolidation, reversal, look to take profits. Yeah. Big difference than what the stock index is doing. Dow Chemical, green for the month. A lot of whipsaw here, broke above and closed above that midpoint here. Here's the high for the year, here's the low for the year. Goldman Sachs, same thing, green. So we have a lot of individual stocks that are green this month, higher highs, higher lows, but the index itself is leadership. So one could be simply trading in the stock index. Home Depot, same thing, green, higher high, higher low. Honeywell, yep, same thing, higher high, higher low. Coming back into these midpoints. Let's label this one too, significant. Which is a big consolidation here, but again, it's big panic selling there. Midpoint. Oops, midpoint. Retail. IBM, new high for the year, outstanding. With a similarity, IBM and Dow Jones correlation. Intel, also new high for the year, outstanding. Johnson & Johnson, not new high for the year, but big bull candle. JP Morgan, nice. So you see a lot of these financial banks trending green. Nice. The banks are helping. Coca-Cola, green, higher high, higher low. Let's increase this. This is bigger. It's the high of the year. McDonald's, momentum here to the upside. 3M, Oswell, momentum to the upside. Merck, huge consolidation. Microsoft, outstanding, new high for the year. Look what it did. Closed red, bearish pin bar. Use caution. I wouldn't want to be buying up there. Nike, wow. Green, higher high, higher low. Coming up to a swing point, potential consolidation, potential reversal. Procter & Gamble. This is concerning. We had this dump, consolidation dump in a retracement here. Rejection prices here on these wicks. Label this consolidation. Yep, one could watch if there's going to be a break below here for a short or a potential retest of this swing high and failure. Travelers, again, financials. Nice trend. Uniform November Hotel, new high for the year. Outstanding. Visa, new high for the year. Again, financials. Verizon, big turnaround. Whiskey, Bravo, Alpha. New low for the year. That is Walgreens, retail, new low for the year. Again, retail is not leadership. There's better ones than retail. Walmart, look at that. Red for the week, huge volatility. So the takeaway is majority of them are not making new highs of the year, but we have lots of them making new highs of the year. But the takeaway is, bigger takeaway to say is the majority of them there are green, higher highs, higher lows, big body candles. Yep. It's like this one here in the Dow. Look at that. Strong like bull. So for the bigger picture is one could consider, again, focusing on the index to buy pullbacks. Or if you find good, strong stocks individually, you can do that as well too. But again, the index is performing better than most of these stocks. Thank you as always for spending just a little bit of your time with me. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.